The digital era, everything from personal information to national security, is vulnerable to cyber attack. Computer and network security professionals defend our systems, working in information technology jobs related to cybersecurity. There is a tremendous need for computer security professionals in both the public and private sector. Salaries range from $70,000 to $120,000.
Make no mistake, this world, cyberspace, is a world that we depend on every single day.
It's far bigger than just the little thing we used to call the internet.
There's so much more to worry about today.
I could steal money from a bank 10,000 miles away. I don't actually have to get on a plane, get a passport, get a visa, go rob a bank someplace. I have reach now.
It's all about the data. It always comes down to the data.
They're there to steal your money, but they're also there to turn up interesting corporate secrets or government secrets.
We're also seeing bad guys start to go after these other non-traditional devices. And so it might be a tablet or a mobile phone or a smartphone.
Get angry about the fact that crime is happening there. Get involved and say that's not acceptable and not be shy about it.
Cyberspace is real,
If somebody wakes up in the morning
and so are the risks that come with it.
and they have the time, the money, the skill, and the inclination to hurt you,
It's the great irony of our information age.
there's not a lot you can do to defend against that.
Your odds of getting caught are far less than 1% if you're committing a cyber crime.
Cloud actually has great potential to improve security and privacy in a way that wasn't possible before.
I see cloud computing as an opportunity to really raise the bar overall.
Make no mistake, this world, cyberspace, is a world that we
Network technology, to me, it's products, services, and methodologies to connect people to information or to other people.
And every enterprise on the planet is using the internet and the networks to do their business. Designing and implementing this infrastructure is network technology.
I sort of see it as a cool engineering program. That's how I saw it as, and it gave me all the tools and all the fundamentals and the hands-on experience as well throughout the projects and the professors who helped enhance that.
We have the technical side from Carleton, we have the practical side from Algonquin, and we also have, on top of that, the Cisco certification, which is covered in the curriculum.
These certifications encompass current industry-recognized network technology. Cisco products are only one example of how such technologies can be implemented. But having said that, if you're involved in networking, you will run into Cisco. There's no if, it's when.
Examples that we learn, the projects that we deal with, are much more real in a sense that we can relate to today's needs and the market that is out there.
It's more about the process of solving problems, of coming upon different solutions, different backgrounds, where you can develop this methodology to approach a problem.
So network professional can be a designer for a network. He could also work at a back-end software development, or he could be at the front end as a salesperson, sales representative. Most of the time you're going to be working for a company which already has an established network, and you're going to be supporting that, cleaning up logs, security maintenance, implementing new hardware, and taking care of cabling or removing the old ones, putting in new ones.
The focus of this program is on the design and operation and management. Those kind of networking jobs cannot be outsourced to some other countries.
There are a lot of opportunities. I mean, if you think nowadays networks are everywhere. So if you go in a coffee shop, there is most probably a Wi-Fi network. If you go in an airport, you'll have Wi-Fi network. Today's networks are everywhere. The idea behind this is that we need people to maintain these networks.